Paano nga ba mag-waterproof ng roof garden? So ano ba yung ulit yung D? Yung different conditions. Kailangan natin muna ma-identify ano ba yung condition. Ano yung A? Yung A is ability of the waterproofing material. So kailangan kaya niya ma-withstand yung mga roots ng mga shrubs. So pwedeng bitumen-based, pwedeng polyurethane-based, at pwede rin tong si Blackout 40 na sheet. Pwede palang bitumen. Bakit hindi yun ang i-recommend? Yung letter T is time, cost, and labor. Kailangan natin ma-identify sino ba ang pinaka mas cost efficient in terms of labor. Blackout 40 ang pinakamura per square meter at pinakamadaling i-apply. Ano ba ang layer at materials na kailangan namin gamitin para sa roof garden? Number 1, yung substrate, yung nasa illustration. Number 2 is yung tile adhesive na gagamitin natin para dumikit si Blackout 40 membrane. Meron tayong Blackout DS drainage sheet. Meron siyang embossed. Ayan. Meron siyang filter membrane. Nandun yung waterproofing membrane mo sa baba, ipapatong lang natin to. Lalagay mo na yung soil and then natural grass. Ginagawa nitong Blackout DS drainage sheet is that yung filter, it prevents the soil para barahin yung drainage sheet. So yung water will flow through the drainage sheet and goes to the drain. Isushoot nyo lang siya dito, parang Lego. Ayan. Sa dulo, you can place yung mga rocks, parang effect, and then yung water magde-drain na lang palabas. You need at least 10 cm na overlap. And you need to use handy fixed grip, which is a hybrid adhesive, para mag-band yung overlap.